guys, welcome to today's tech. Today we are going to see how you can create your own bootable USB stick. So you can create your bootable stick by using softwares like Windows Media Creation Tool, Rufus, YUMI, and of course by using command prompt. So first we are going to see how you can create using Windows Media Creation Tool. So for that you need to go to Chrome and just type Windows Media Creation Tool. Open the first link from the Microsoft. Download your creation tool and here you go. Tool is now available on your computer. You don't need any type of ISO file for this Windows Media Creation Tool. Of course, for YUMI and Rufus, you do need an ISO file, and of course, for command prompt also, you need an ISO file. So, getting few things ready. Here, you can read license terms and to accept. Getting few more things ready. Just now plugged in my drive. Oh, upgrade this PC will make upgradation for this Windows 10 which is existing on my PC installed, and create installation media USB flash drive DVD or ISO file for another PC. Yes, of course I want to create. Okay, so here you can choose your CPU architecture and of course language. So I'll set it by default and hit next. If you want to make a bootable flash drive, then you can select USB flash drive. If you want to download ISO file, you can do. But now we are going to see how you can create bootable drive. So I'm selecting USB flash drive. Next, I'll just select my removable drive E and I'll hit next. So it is in progress. Just wait for some time. After its completion, you'll get your bootable USB stick. Step 2 is to create by using Rufus or YUMI. I'll just open my Rufus. Over here, you can select your pen drive. Then select your ISO file, Windows Standard installation. Of course, I don't want to install to make Windows to go. I'll select MBR partition scheme over here. I'll just rename it by Windows 10 ISO. Okay, I'll set by default size cluster. Okay, and then I'll just hit start. It is showing warning that data will be destroyed. Okay, so after completion of this drive, you get your bootable USB media pack. Method 3 by using YUMI software. I'll just open YUMI. By the way, guys, I'll leave the links for these two softwares in the description below. I'll select my drive. I'll do NTFS format, and over here you have to select single Windows installation. After that, browse, use Windows 10 ISO file over here, and then hit create, and yes. This procedure, you will get your bootable pen drive. Okay, finally guys, we are here to use command prompt. Just open your command prompt and type disk part. This partition will be ready for you. So I'll just hit list disk to make sure disk 1 is my pen drive. Select disk 1. I'll hit enter. I'll just give command for clean. So my bootable device is now totally cleaned. I'll create partition primary. Partition is now created. Active for that partition, and now format fs is equals to ntfs quick. Just hit enter and wait for a while. Okay, now disk successfully formatted. I'll just hit exit from command prompt. Also I'll open my ISO file, extract to, just select your bootable drive and hit OK. Wait for a while. After its extraction, you can install Windows. Thank you for watching this video till end. Have a good day guys.